Hi viewers and well-wishers, step into channel once again. So now we are going to discuss about the important concept calculus which plays important role for the intermediate students, diploma and engineering sectors, etc. In that we are going to analysis the problems, various problems which are connected to limits, part 1. Okay. So evaluate limit extends to 0, root of a plus x power n minus root of a minus x power n by x power n. So this is a function given. Okay, limit extends to 0. This function we had evaluated. If you observe carefully here, this function is composed of square root. So in order to avoid it, we have to rationalize the numerator here that we discussed in the search topic 9th standard. Now rationalizing the numerator. So rationalizing the numerator, what we get, the RF is nothing but here you are going to get plus. So limit extends to 0. So root of a plus x power n minus root of a minus x power n by x power n. Its RF is nothing but root of a plus x power n plus root of a minus x power n by root of a plus x power n plus root of a minus x power n. The numerator takes the form of m minus n into m plus n, nothing but m square minus n square, the algebraic identity. So that I can write now limit extends to 0. Here I can write root of a plus x power n whole square minus root of a minus x power n the whole square by here x power n into the same root of a plus x power n plus root of a minus x power n. So square and root get cancelled. So now I can write here limit extends to 0, a plus x power n. After square and root get cancelled, multiply with minus, before bracket you have minus sign. So I am writing directly. So minus a plus x power n by x power n into root of a plus x power n minus plus a minus x power n. A minus a is 0, x power n plus x power n is 2x power n. So now I can write limit extends to 0 here, 2x power n by x power n of a plus x power n plus a minus x power n. Okay, up to here just basic calculations, whatever you know, school standard itself. Now the operation is multiplication, x power n and x power n get cancelled. Now I am going to here, if you substitute x is equal to 0 here, we are going to evaluate the limit here, nothing but limit extends to 0. So 2 by, since I am substituting x is equal to 0, no need to write this part. So root of a plus 0 power n is 0 plus a plus 0 power n is 0. So 2 by root a plus root a, nothing but x plus x is 2x. So 2 root x, so 2 root a, so 1 by root a. So this method is applicable for the plus 2 students, intermediate students. Okay, once you have the look. So rationalize the numerator and we proceeded finite steps here, a square minus b square, next cancellation and substituting. Okay. Now if the same problem asked for various competitive examinations or shortcut, fast track method I am going to explain. You should be able to know the derivatives. X power n and root x derivatives, as you know very well. Okay, if you are not aware it, once you go through it and apply. See here, I am going to do second method. So differentiate numerator and denominator with respect to x. So nothing but this formula is called here L'Hospital rule. I am going to apply L'Hospital. So this is a method we'll follow for in generally for competitive examinations, and it can be applied if in the form of 0 by 0 form, if you substitute in the numerator and denominator the value of x as 0, if you are going to get 0 by 0, then we have to employ L'Hospital rule. So let us check it now. So differentiate separately two terms here and the denominator one term. So this in the form of root x form. So 1 by 2 root x. So I am going to do here L'Hospital rule 1 by 2 root of a plus x power n. So again we have to do differentiation in the bracket in the square root of 1, nothing but a is a constant, derivative of constant is 0 and derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. So n into x power n minus 1. Next minus same 1 by 2 root of a minus x power n. Again here minus of n into x power n minus 1. Because constant 0 minus, so minus this part by denominator is nothing but 1 by, denominator is nothing but here x power n derivative is n into x power n minus 1. So separately numerator and denominator done the differentiation. So if you observe carefully, I am going to take n into x power n minus 1 by 2 as common. Okay, so the leftover part is nothing but here 1 by a plus x power n minus into minus plus 1 by root of, here it is root of a minus x power n by this one n into x power n minus 1, anything now that means by 1. So now the leftover part is nothing but here after cancellation these two will vanish. Okay, so now you apply limit x tends to 0 here. So now I can write here and n and n also get cancelled. So leftover part is nothing but 1 by 2 limit x tends to 0 now you substitute into 1 by here x is equal to 0, nothing but root a you will get, again here again root a you will get. Okay, so 1 by 2 into this x is nothing but root x. So I am going to get here 2 by root a, or 2 into 1 by root a. So 2 and 2 get cancelled, the final one is nothing but 1 by root a. So just this is a 2 steps complicated, and this one is very easy, just 5 seconds. So it takes half minute if you are good at calculations. In method 1 and method 2, method 2 is L'Hospital rule for various competitive examinations. Method 1 is traditional method for intermediate students. Okay, so 2 methods, first problem of our limits calculus. Okay, one problem by 2 methods. Once you have the total look. Hope you will feel good. If you felt good, then only you like it. Share to your near and dear friends. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video session.